The Dahon MU N360 is another bike in the MU series that BikeFolded.com have a chance to review. The bike is promised to provide effortless rides that you would love, and the maintenance-free drivetrain makes sure you can focus on cycling every day. The NuVinci N360 CVT hub delivers uncomplicated, ultra-smooth gear switching, and I just love the NuVinci shifter with its intuitive display. The new shifting process will help you focus on cycling and forget about distracting sounds when you adjust the shifter. The MU N360 also comes with a Dahon seat post pump. This is a biologic pump built directly into your seat post. This is very convenient, and you can pump your tires with less effort than using hand pumps. The bike weighs 28.8 pounds, and folded dimensions are 31.1 inches by 26 inches by 11.8 inches. Let's check out some of the pros and cons. Pros: NuVinci Gearless Drive Hub gives comfort and smoothness to this bike. Beautiful shifter. Convenient seat post pump. Cons: heavy frame and drivetrain. Some scratches on the body due to folding mechanism. BikeFolded.com recommends the Dahon MU N360 to any cyclist looking for a simple and smooth ride.